In this video, we are going to discuss Unit 4, our environment. It is the continuation of a part 1 video. If you have not checked the part 1 video, I will leave the link in the description box so that you can check it. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Solid waste we generate can be classified into two major types: biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. The term biodegradable is used for those things that can be easily decomposed by natural agents like water, oxygen, ultraviolet rays of the sun, microorganisms, etc. Biodegradable waste includes vegetable and fruit peels, leftover food, and garden waste, grass, leaves, weeds, and twigs. Biodegradable waste: vegetables and fruit peels, leftover foods, and garden waste. Here you can see the biodegradable waste in this diagram. Non-biodegradable waste: those materials which cannot be broken down or decomposed into the soil by microorganisms and natural agents are labeled as non-biodegradable. These substances consist of plastic materials, metal scraps, aluminum cans and bottles, etc. Non-biodegradable waste: plastic materials, metal scraps, aluminum cans and bottles. Here you can see the diagrammatic representation of non-biodegradable waste. Solid waste management. It is our duty to reduce creating waste and protect environment. 3 R's are important in protecting environment. The first R is reduced, second R is reuse, and the last R is recycle. And these are the 3 R cycle: reduce, reuse, recycle. Avoid the usage of unwanted materials which create more debris. Before you buy anything, think that do I really need it? Example: avoid buying packed foods. Refuse to buy, use and throw plastics products. Reduce. We can reduce the waste by using durable goods that last longer instead of things that are used once and thrown away. Example: write on both sides of papers. Instead of unnecessary printing, use electronic facilities. Share newspapers, magazines, and other things with others. Reuse. Reusing means using a thing again and again rather than using and throwing after a single use. Example: instead of using plastic bags, use and throw pens and batteries. Use cloth bags, fountain pens, and rechargeable batteries. Reuse glass bottles for other purposes. Repair footwears and use them. Recycle. The process by which waste materials are used to make new products is called recycling. Example: using old clothes to make paper and melting some plastics to make floor mats, plastic boats, and hose pipes. Compost. The process of degradation of organic waste into manure by the action of microorganism is called composting. The manure that obtained becomes natural fertilizer for the plants as well as increases the soil fertility. Here you can see the composting. Landfill. Landfilling is a method in which waste are dumped into naturally occurring or man-made pits and covered with soil. Garbage buried inside landfills remain here for a long time as it decomposes very slowly and becomes manure. These places can be converted into parks, gardens, etc. Here you can see the landfilling. Waste separation. The Solid Waste Management Rules 2016 say that every household should segregate and store the waste generated by them in 3 separate streams, namely biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and domestic hazardous waste, in suitable bins, and hand over segregated waste to authorized waste pickers or waste collector as per the direction or notification by the local authorities from time to time. Waste separation. No body shall throw, burn, or bury the solid waste on streets, open public spaces, outside his premises, or in the drain or water bodies. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.